Hey guys, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, and we're here with another case review, but this time we're going to go from the iPhone to an Android, and one I just picked up, which is called the OnePlus 13, and we are going to talk about some poetic cases for your OnePlus 13. All right, and before we get into that, if you could please like, subscribe to this channel, we greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all the support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for any other comments. All right, so what do we have here? We got two cases. We have the Poetic Guardian. We have the Poetic Revolution for your OnePlus 13. Now, the OnePlus 13 just came out, and I already unboxed it. You can see it in my channel videos, but yeah, this is a very light and amazing phone. And one of the directions that OnePlus has decided to do this year is to adhere to the MagSafe community and just create this environment of a MagSafe phone. Now, the phone isn't MagSafe compatible by itself. However, they've created some cases that are MagSafe, and you can use all other items, including your MagSafe wallets and any other MagSafe chargers that are out there. And with that being said, they have communicated that to Poetic, and Poetic has adhered to their MagSafe requirements. So we got two cases, one it is MagSafe and one that is not MagSafe. But let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we got in there. So the first one I've been using for quite a while, and that is the Poetic Guardian, the OnePlus 13, the black and clear. So this one has the MagSafe and it's clear, so you can see your nice Midnight Ocean colorway without any interruptions. And one of the first things that I saw that in the box, they do give you instructions on how to, put it on, how to wipe it down, because they do give you a protection screen here as an alternative. However, the base product comes with not only the protection, it doesn't come with any protection screen. So if you don't like the protection screen, you can just, leave it as is and, put it together as such. Or you can use the protection screen, which I typically don't use, but, you can use it if you want to. And so with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox it and put all that other stuff to the side. And like I said before, I've been using this thing and it does not add any weight to my OnePlus 13. And it's clear, so I can see my midnight colorway. It is kind of a dust magnet, so just be careful, whenever you're putting this on. It's very nice, and, I can't complain on the black bezel around it. It definitely gives me the adequate protection, but let's stop talking about it and let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is put on the frame as such. And then once you do that, it's just a normal case. You just start from the top and you put it in all the corners, and then you just kind of like wrap the rubber over the frame, and you have your connected case. And once again, this is the Poetic Guardian. So just keep that in mind. And as you can see, there's no limitations on it. You do have your Hasselblad H logo still visible. You have your OnePlus logo still visible. So you are in good shape. And let's go ahead and test to see if the MagSafe is worth it. And it is. And as you can see, it is perfectly stuck on the MagSafe. No problems. It's not going to be as strong as an iPhone, but the cases do make it a very viable option for you if you're an Android phone user and you have a lot of MagSafe products. And then let's go ahead and test to see the wireless. And as you can see, the wireless does work, so no problem with that. And then I have a MagSafe wallet that I keep with me. Voila, the MagSafe works. So once again, you can get this Guardian case on Amazon for about 20 bucks. And I think it's worth every penny. So this is the Poetic Guardian, and you should definitely get it. And the next thing we're going to get into, as mentioned, is the Poetic Revolution. And we are going to unbox it. This is in black. You can get this on Amazon for $20. And let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, in true traditional fashion, Poetic gives you more than the value of what you're paying for. It says, thank you. This is telling you how to open it, because it does come with a stand. And then here's more installation guide tips. And you pretty much should adhere to all of this, because if you don't, you might come up with a broken case, and you don't want to have that. no matter how much you're paying for it. And then it comes with the screen protector accessories. They help you clean off the screen protector when you're installing it, so you can have adequate touch detection. And then, as they always do with most of their cases, you got a privacy screen with the frame built in. Or if you don't like that privacy screen, you can just get it without it. So they have heard your cries about poking it out. I know I'm guilty of it. Whenever I receive one of the Poetic cases, I will poke it out and just leave it as is to keep the true essence of my phone. But so I appreciate a company that does that. So thank you, Poetic. All right, so here it is, guys. So this is the Revolution. So just note that this does not have MagSafe, which for me is disappointing from my perspective, because I like to use MagSafe. But if you just want just straight up protection, this is it right here, the Revolution. All right, so let's go ahead and place this on the OnePlus here. So once again, you're going to put the frame on first, ever so gently. And then you're going to start from the top. And then you're going to wrap that rubber silicone around it. And you want to make sure that everything is on. So I usually utilize the USB-C port protection here. So I kind of pull that apart to help wrap this thing around. And as you can see, it could get a little difficult, but you just got to pick up the lip and go at it for a little bit. And then there you go. And then one of the things you want to do is just make sure that everything is perfectly on there. And I must tell you, just holding it in the hand, it adds some weight to it, but it's still lighter than any phone that I've had. I mean, this is just easily one of the lightest phones that OnePlus has come out with. Probably the lightest phone, and I'm very excited about it. But let's talk about this case. So the Revolution, it has the built-in protection. It has the rubber grip around the entire part. You got your volume rocker, your power button, and you got your silent rocker right here that has the 3 levels that you can easily access. And then you have a cover for your camera, and you can just slide it off and take pictures as such. So a nice little feature there. Keep the dust out of your camera lens. You have the Poetic symbol right here, which is awesome. It's like the bat symbol. And then also you have a stand. So Poetic has added this in. I mean, you're getting so much bang for your buck with this. I mean, this is amazing. You can even do a landscape, and then you can do a portrait. I mean, what else can you ask for? This is a very nice case. And it has great grip. And then it has the nice little design. It has the 3 little stripes on most of the sides. Let's see, it has 2 on this side. Very easily to grip. I mean, look at the lip protection on this. And then look at the camera coverage protection. Even if you do open it, you still have protection there. And this is amazing. But let's check to see if we can do wireless charging, at least, since we can't do MagSafe charging. And there you have it. It is charging wirelessly. No interruptions, nothing blocking it. Just pure, straight wireless charging and adequate protection for your OnePlus 13. I'm very proud of this phone, and I'm proud of these cases because usually OnePlus is left out on the table of cases. As iPhone gets priority, now Samsung gets priority over a lot of these cases, but OnePlus is making its way on, and I appreciate Poetic for sending me these cases. And these are amazing, and I suggest you go out there and get you one like me. And go ahead and like and subscribe this channel. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching my video. We got plenty more to go. And if you have any questions or comments, link it below. And check out the link for these cases in my description below. Peace.